So we're here in Ceol, where we're doing some location scouting at the moment. It's, as you can see, it's pissing rain, so I'm going to get back into the car now. So quick manoeuvre here. Oh God. So yeah, we're here in Ceol doing location scouting for the car chase of Ceol, which we hope to shoot within the next 2 weeks, hopefully, or sometime soon anyway. So we're kind of trying to get quiet roads that look nice, that don't have too much traffic. They're not too bumpy or too, because safety is obviously a priority, and we need places then to pull in equipment vans and some of the catering stuff as well. We need to find laybys and stuff like that for them to be able to pull in and do their stuff. So I think weather is probably the biggest factor. Like if it's raining, I don't think we're going to be able to do it. Sound wise, like the rain in the cars and stuff like that, it'll be tough. And then just if we're outside with the cameras, it'll slow everything up. Trying to keep the cameras dry and stuff like that. And then there's safety as well. Vehicles obviously can't move as fast when the roads are wet. And that's what we want them moving fast, and we want it to look exciting and stuff like that. So hopefully the weather will clear up for us or something like that, or will we get lucky. So we're going to go and have a look at some more cool locations. The windows are fogging up here. Put your belt on, cameraman. Oh God. There we go. It's very picturesque up around here. Very wet. The roads are quiet. This is a really good stretch that we're going to use. That it's a, oh God, there's a vehicle coming. What is it? It's a truck. This is a good stretch of road. Oh Jesus! It's a good straight stretch of road. My God, this weather is horrible. It's not the best place to be when you've got bad weather up around here. We're changing location and moving out to see a country pub, and also the camper van that we're going to use. So as you can see here now, big view of Carlow town out to the left. If I can pull in here, we'll oh. So we've just, Jimmy, the guy that's loaning us the camper van for the film, we've just been to view it, and it is perfect. We're all very excited here. You'll see it here. It's starting to, we're reversing up past it. You can kind of see it there. It's pretty big. It's, how the hell am I going to get out of here? Homeward bound. Oh no! A radio interview was on the cards. We forgot. No hassle. Okay, and Beat 102 on a tree just hung up on me. Okay, but thanks again. Bye bye bye. So yeah, we've just done a radio interview on Beat 102 on a tree with Orla Rappel on the Sunday Grill. So that's going to be airing Sunday morning. I think you'll probably check. We'll find out more and put it up on the Facebook page. But so Sunday, it's something to listen into.